Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is super exciting because I've never done one of these before. It is a laundry motivation video and it is in collab with my friend Megan over on Sweet Homestead Fields. I'll be sure to link all of her information down in my description box. If you like these videos, please give them a thumbs up. It really does help our channels out so much. So in today's video, as well as washing and drying and folding and put away, I'm going to show you what laundry detergents and all the softeners that I use, as well as do a quick little cleanup of the washer and dryer itself because they are starting to get a little dirty. I need to clean those in this video also, so I thought I would show you that. So here is a clip of Megan's channel, and she is a Navy veteran's wife and mom of 6. On her channel, Sweet Homestead Fields, you'll find motherhood and lifestyle videos such as laundry and cleaning motivation, home projects, and I hope you can go over to her channel after watching this video and make sure you subscribe. I know you're going to love her channel. Thank you, Megan, for doing this collab with me, and I hope you guys enjoy. Obviously left some clothes in the washer that need to be moved to the dryer, and then I have all of these clothes that I found in random places that I need to go through and sort and wash these first before I can get to our laundry baskets. And then also my shelves have become junk shelves again, so I gotta clean that up too. You'll see me filling up the scent booster jar and the detergent jars, but first let's get to these clothes. The way that you keep playing, show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you're wanting me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I thought I would show y'all cleaning out the inside of this washer because there's a lot of dirt and grime, but I think I'm going to do that in a deep clean video, so you'll just see me cleaning the outside top of the washer and dryer, and I'm going to go ahead and sweep and mop the laundry room floor because it always needs it, as well as I'm straightening up the shelving above it, and then of course doing the laundry motivation.
And me and vodka, call a lie. And I'm putting and me and vodka cola. And put myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows you white lies, white scars, wild nights, bad bars, burning me out, you're burning me out. Yeah.
So we have the washer and the dryer going while we, I guess, get the rest now, because I just folded and put away all the stuff that was on the couch, which wasn't that much. But I just wanted to show you, this is where we keep our clothes and towels. So it looks like I have a couple loads here. So in addition to the laundry baskets we have in our master bedroom that we put our dirty clothes and the dirty towels in, we have this laundry basket that I just put into this linen closet for all the boys' dirty clothes. Since I had the dirty laundry basket in this closet that I get the boys' dirty laundry out of, I wanted to go ahead and show you this linen closet, and I'm storing some extra things that we need, like toilet paper and the toddler wipes, as well as pillow linens and extra toiletries in the very top. And we also keep our beach towels in here. I'm trying to think of, oh yeah, and we keep all of the diapers in here, and then also some pull-ups because we're kind of starting to train Jack. It's kind of been a long time coming here, but I think we're on board to finally get him potty trained. I think this will be a good time to do it coming into summer.
Don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. You know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my.
Okay, so I ended up getting this jar from IKEA, and I've actually had it for a while now because we do not have an IKEA. So last time I went to one, which was the first time I've been to one, I bought all of the glass jars I could find because they were like super cheap. And so this one came from IKEA, and I don't know the size, but it exactly fit this really large scent booster bottle that I got from Sam's Club. And the clear jar from IKEA only cost like $3, I think. It was well under $4, so it was such a good deal. This bigger jar came from Target, and it does not have like the rubber stopper on it, so you have to be careful it doesn't seal. Super careful, because I think the last one I had, I broke the top lid off of it. But anyways, I'm putting some Gang Flings into this, and I had purchased 2 glass jars from Target, but when I went to do my pickup order, they didn't have the smaller one, so I just ended up with this one. So I probably will eventually get the smaller one to go with it because they are a little bit different, but I just needed something now, and so I'm using the one from IKEA and then the one from Target.
that close shot of how dirty the washer is, and we will get to that in a future deep cleaning video. But I'm going to finish up folding some laundry here, and then I am going to show you some stuff that I have to find a place to keep. These things should stay in this laundry room, but I had a basket hanging up behind that door and it came down, and so I don't know. I'm just going to have to figure out where to put like my spot remover and stuff. There's the basket that I had it in, but all this stuff was in there and I had it hanging behind the door so you couldn't see it, but I don't know. And then I have this like toy grabber thing that was the boys, and I ended up taking it because I kept dropping stuff between the washer and dryer, so it worked perfectly for that. And then in this last clip of the linen closet, I did show that jar that I used to use for my flings, but I broke the lid, and so now I'm just using it to put their masks. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. Also, if you are coming over from Meghan's, I would love for you to subscribe, or if you are just new and you found this channel, please consider subscribing and becoming part of my YouTube family. Also, hit that bell notification button so you'll know when I have new content out. Also, thank you so much, Meghan, for collabing with me, and y'all be sure to check out her video now. I'll have all of her information linked down below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!